Hey, 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 hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing reading. Here we go. Open your book to page 54, reading lesson 3. Okay, enrich visible thinking, critical thinking comparing. Identify one sentence in the story. Which story that we have here about? Okay, you are going to choose one sentence, okay, of the story. Okay, then, okay, read here. Identify one sentence in the story that reminds you of something fun. Draw it in the corresponding box. Okay, and color your pictures. Okay, what do you have to do here is draw. Okay, make a drawing. Okay, and please don't work in this part. Don't do that. Okay, just drawing. Okay, and if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, life does not have to be perfect to be wonderful. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.